Pillar 1, efficient bus maintenance process. Every top intercity bus company relies on a structured, standardized maintenance process. This ensures that every bus complaint, diagnosis, repair, and overall health status is tracked and managed efficiently. This figure illustrates the intercity bus maintenance process. In the old approach, you operate without efficient maintenance processes. The old results, driver complaints about maintenance issues go unchecked. 40 buses are scheduled for trips without proper repairs, leading to frequent breakdowns. Maintenance costs keep rising due to preventable repairs and unexpected failures. To the right, we have the new approach where you operate with efficient maintenance processes. You get the new results. Every maintenance issue is addressed promptly. Mechanics ensure all buses scheduled for trips are in top condition and breakdowns are minimized, leading to lower maintenance costs and smoother operations. With a well-designed maintenance process, your buses operate like a finely tuned engine, reducing breakdown risks, minimizing losses, and maximizing profits. If you enjoyed this content, then you should join the Intercity Transportation Innovation Hub. It is a practical knowledge sharing community where top industry experts help bus business owners reduce losses, increase passenger retention, optimize operations. When you join this community, here's what you're going to learn. One, proven models for higher occupancy and profitability. Two, strategies to keep customers loyal and engaged. Three, financial planning insight to cut waste and boost revenue. And four, real-world case studies for successful bus companies. Scan the QR code to join the WhatsApp community now, or use the link in the video description. Please note, only qualified profiles are allowed.